If you're playing electric guitar, you're going to need an amplifier so you can hear yourself clearly, and a patch cable that connects the amplifier to the guitar. Amplifiers come in different sizes and range widely in price. You can purchase a small beginner amp, less than a foot high, for as low as $30. The control panel on amps come with a volume knob, as well as a low or bass knob to adjust the low end frequency, a mid or middle knob to adjust the mid-range frequency, and a treble or high knob to adjust the high end frequency. You can experiment with different settings here to see what you prefer. Some amps come with cool built-in effects like reverb. Reverb, or reverberation, is created when sound reflects off the surfaces in a room, causing numerous reflections that build up and decay as the sound is absorbed by the surfaces of the objects in the room. The larger the room, the more potential reverb. Another cool effect is distortion. Some amps label this effect differently, calling it gain or crunch. But it's all the same. It distorts the signal from your guitar to give it that rock sound that we've all come to know and love. So, if you're playing electric guitar and you want to sound like AC/DC playing in an arena, you'd want to look out for these special effects that come built into your amplifier.